It's not a Goldwing. Different bites, different characteristics. We're going to the Cracker Barrel, y'all. We're gonna get us some Cracker Barrel.
Get them fellas and put them in the...
We're in Vero Beach for the Cracker Barrel. I'm hungry, let's go get it. Let's go get us something good to eat, little Egypt. As soon as they come in, as soon as we can order. How's it going? I got you.
Oh, at this time, we're going to show you a slideshow. I hope you guys enjoy. Slappy Adventures. Yeah! It's Slappy Dog.
Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'm ready.